Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to talk about a new lesson which is measuring length. Units of measuring length. Centimeter. To measure small lengths such as the length of a pencil, the height of a table, the width of a shelf. Meter. Medium lengths such as the height of a door, the length of a corridor, the length and the width of a room. Kilometer. To measure long lengths such as the distance between cities such as between Tanta and Alexandria, the distance from the earth to the moon. Note: how to convert from kilometer to meter and from meter to centimeter. To convert from kilometer to meter, we multiply by 1000, and convert from meter to centimeter, we multiply by 100. And now, how to convert from centimeter to meter and from meter to kilometer. To convert from centimeter to meter, we divide by 100, and convert from meter to kilometer, we divide by 1000. So, from the greatest to the smallest, we multiply, and from the smallest to the greatest, we divide. We have to know that 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters, half kilometer equals 500 meters, quarter kilometer equals 250 meters, 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, half meter equals 50 centimeter, quarter meter equals 25 centimeters. Complete. Number A, 5 kilometer equals 5 times dots equals dots meters. To convert from kilometer to meter, we multiply by 1000. So 5 times 1000, it will be 5000 meters. 8 kilometer and 250 meters. I can't add kilometer and meter together, so I have to convert the kilometer first. 8 kilometer, it will be 1000 plus 250, it will be 8,250 meters. 395 meters equals 395 times dots equals dots centimeter. To convert from meter to centimeter, I have to multiply by 100. So my answer, it will be 39,500 centimeters. 900 centimeters equals 900 divided by dots equals dots meters. To convert from centimeter to meter, I divide by 100. So my answer is 9 meters. Put smaller, greater or equal. Number A. 2 kilometers, the other side is 2020 meters. I can't compare between two different units, so I have to convert the kilometer to be meter. To convert from kilometer to meter, I multiply by 1000. So the two sides will be 2000 meters, the other side is 2020 meters. So which one is the greater? 2020 meters. Number B. 8,500 meters, the other side is 1000 kilometers and quarter meter. I can't compare between two different units, so I have to convert all the kilometer to be meter. So my sides will be 1500 meters, the other side is 1250 meters. Which one is the greater? 1500 meters. Quarter meter plus 75 centimeter, the other side is 1 meter. I can't compare between two different units. I have to convert all the meters to be centimeters. So quarter meter is 25 plus 75, it will be 100 centimeters. The other side 1 meter, it will be 100 centimeters. So my both sides are equal. 10,000 meters, the other side is 10 kilometers. I can't compare between two different units, so I have to convert the kilometer to be meter. I multiply by 1000, so the two sides is 10,000 meters, so my sides are equal. Arrange the following in an ascending order. 4 kilometer, 4050 meters, 450 meters, 40 kilometers. I can't arrange with different units, so I have to change all the kilometer to be meter. So 4 kilometers it will be 4000 meters, and 40 kilometers it will be 40,000 meters. My order is 450 meters, 4000 meters, 4050 meters. The last one is 40,000 meters. Thank you.